Ideally, once you are happy with your dentures, it wants an identical record. This app uses the same technology as your phone for facial recognition. Follow the instructions, and when the monitor is green, press save, then send. We will save your scan, from which we can make an identical copy on a 3D printer. Do it now while they fit well and before you lose or break them. Either order a spare set now from the drop-down menu. You can select a variety of acrylic dentures from full cosmetic dentures, which are a two-stage process and take about a week, or identically fitting emergency basic dentures with a standard colour and pink gums, with the advantage of a quick return within a few days. More advice on looking after false teeth and providing oral health care for others, use the Care for Teeth website. For maintaining healthy teeth and gums for yourself, download the Teeth for Life app.